All right, so what I did was I watched a bunch of videos, and I got a bunch of ideas here. Well, pictures. I got a couple of good ones. This one here shows that loop.
Yeah.
It goes over, and
just over the header.
So that one could be part of it. There's another one. Where's our brackets? This one. This one's the one that I think it is. See, because it's got this up here for the AC compressor with sticks up top. So we need to take this bracket off that we have.
Alright.
You want to do that?
Forget the size that it was.
It's right here. It's this one.
What's it?
Yeah, we use this. Use our power wrench there.
There's a bracket. There's the bolts. Oop.
Leave that there. So this
Just go. Oh, might not fit around the header.
yeah, it's not gonna fit. Well, it'll fit right there. May not fit around the header, but that's one of the ones that are in this picture, or potential, because this is another potential. But
This one will. Oops. But the other one. Let's see how. Yeah, well, we're gonna have to.
yeah, see the bracket here comes up just like that.
Yeah, looks just like it.
Just like that. But that's the stock manifold. But doesn't mean we can't, shave some of this stuff for the header, because these are new headers. So, and the bottom side, see this right there?
Yeah.
It's right there on that, which the the power steering pump connects to.
Yep.
Right there. So that's the one that needs to go on there.
So we gotta shave off at least this little bit right here. That little bit.
Yeah, let's get a marker there.
Because when it goes on, it collides right there.
It sure does. Kind of both sides, really.
One side should be all it needs. It just needs like a little bit to clear.
See, that's got like a spacer on it, but the other side doesn't. Meaning that was a stud. Let's pull out those two bolts.
Alright. Yep.
It's gonna be at 38s probably.
So it's looking like.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be at 38s.
Just want to use a wrench.
Here, see if that fits that inside one.
Oh, that's right. This was the pain in the ass one. This one you can't get it with the box side. Yeah, it fits. I can break it.
Okay, yeah, take those off.
First one. First and second.
Oh, they both off?
Yep.
Okay. Let's see what we got here. We'll take off the spark plug temporarily here. Yeah, it's just barely not going to fit.
Should be able to just grind a little bit off on both sides of it, and it's going to be just right.
Yep, let's do that. We're going to grind that off and get back to you. GoPro, stop recording.
It's going to be such a pain. Oh, yep.
All right, so we figured out over looking at stuff, although we can get this bracket in there, it's going to be too close and you can't get that second bolt in the header. So we're going to look on Summit and see if we can't get a bracket from them that will work with this power steering pump, because the one that we have, the stock one, is not going to work with the headers because the corner is too tight there. And I'm sure they have something, but we're going to have to do that just to make it work, because this thing would have to be way out here, and although we can get it down there, it's not going to, it hits that if we clamp it down, and you can't get that second bolt in down there. And it's just not going to work with this bracket. So we got to figure that out. But so we're gonna kick this one down the road a couple days as I look for a bracket. And if we can't find one, we'll make something custom, which may end up being the process. But then we're gonna have to make another one for the air conditioner. So we'll see how it goes once we figure that out.
At least we got this one on though.
Yep, we did have to
put on the bracket that holds up the alternator.
Yeah, the alternator piece, we forgot this one in front, so we put that one on, and I saw that in the pictures. So this is all good to go, this side. It's just this side over here. So we're gonna have to figure that out, and hopefully they have something that includes the power steering and the air conditioner compressor, but I don't know, we're gonna have to see. So we'll get back to you on this one.